guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox 2018 Advent Calendar. So I showed it in a PR haul and I got a bunch of comments and messages from you guys saying this Advent Calendar isn't worth it, Vanessa. I'm glad I read the comments before buying it, blah blah blah. And I'm like, what? So I decided to make this video and open it and give you guys my honest opinion, so you guys know whether or not you should spend your money on this Advent Calendar. This was sent to me from Glossybox, just a little disclaimer. And also, I am going to still be opening it on my vlog channel. I'd originally said that I would be opening it on my vlog channel, you know, opening one box a day, because that's how an Advent Calendar works. I am still going to be doing that on my vlog channel, but this video, I'm going to open everything and show you guys what's in there. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, you should. I am doing Vlogmas this year, and I'm so excited. I actually made my intro the other day. I'm so excited. I'm really excited for Christmas this year, as is everyone else in the entire world, I feel like. As soon as Halloween was over, people were like, Christmas decorations going up. We actually put ours up this past weekend, which is pretty early for us. We usually don't do it until like the day after Thanksgiving or the weekend after Thanksgiving, but Christmas trees up, Christmas decorations are up. We're ready for Santa. I have 25 boxes to open. I'm going to try to make this quick. I'm not going to go into too much detail about each product, but let's do this. This is what the box looks like. The box is so pretty. And then opening it up, there's a card here that talks about all the products, so I will be referring to that inside. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna open up each box and we're gonna talk about the products. Box number 1. Inside box number 1 is the Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. Ooh, that is different. That is the Incredible Jelly Shot Superfood Lip Quencher in X Revenge. Retails for $10. So that's pretty much all it says on these cards. It just says the name, what it retails for, and the ingredients. It doesn't like give a description of the product. Box number 2. It's a brush from Real Techniques. This is the Expert Foundation Brush. This retails for $8.99. Super pretty. Can always use another brush, right? I just keep telling myself that every time I get more brushes. Number 3 is this little guy. This is from Lollipops Paris. This is Fluid Glowy Liquid Highlighter. This retails for $10. That's that. Box number 4. Number 4. Oh my gosh, if this... Guys, I am so sick of getting Lowered in Berry eyeliners. No, I feel like I've gotten one in every single freaking subscription box that I've ever gotten in my life. This is a Lowered in Berry eyeliner in Travel Black. This is obviously travel size. This still retails for $12, this little tiny guy. Have I ever used it before? I know I have like 10 of them, like I'm not even exaggerating when I say that. It's just a black eyeliner, like nothing too special. Number 5. What is this? Ooh, we have a powder. This is from Absolute New York HD Flawless Pressed Finishing Powder in Brightening Banana. Retails for only $8.99. So definitely affordable. I've never heard of them. AbsoluteNewYork.com. I'm gonna have to check them out. Number 6. Number 6. This is the Evolue Firming Toner. Evolue Skincare Firming Toner and Brightening Toner retails for $15. It's an exquisite tonic that tones, tightens, and refreshes skin. Oh yeah, I'll be the judge of that. Lucky number 7. It feels like there's nothing in here. What is this? What is this? Oh yes, this is cute. If I can get it out. So these are, yes, Invisibobbles. I have one on right now. Ah, so cute. These are the slim ones. Oh yes, these are thinner. This is so cute. It's like a little ornament. This retails for $8. I love these things. I don't use regular ponytail holders anymore. These are amazing. They don't snag your hair. They don't give you a headache. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I wear my hair up, or when I used to wear my hair up and used a regular ponytail holder, I would get headaches and Doesn't happen anymore because Invisibobbles are great. 8 is my favorite number, so hopefully this is good. Let's see, what is this? This is the cookie and hand cream. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. The company is It's Skin. This is cookie and hand cream. It retails for $10. How cute is this packaging? Super cute. It says mint too, or mint right here. You can't see it, so I'm assuming it's mint flavored, or scented, not flavored. Don't eat this, guys. Don't eat it. Number 9. Let's see. What is this? What is this? This is from Color Science Daily UV Protector. Is this sunscreen? Sunscreen. Yep, sunscreen. Retails for $15 for this little tiny size. Holy shit. No, wait. 0.5 ounces. And this is 0.3 ounces. Okay, so a little bit bigger. There's that. Number 10. 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 What is this? Oh, this is Refibra Hair Care Concentrated Restoring Mask. We got a bunch of different languages on here. Refibra Hair Care. Refibra Hair Care. It's not on here. Oh, from Algon. Algon. Yes, Algon's the company. I can't talk. This is the Refibra Concentrated Restoring Mask. Retails for $17 from Algon Cosmetics. Hair care. Okay, hair care. Let's see. It's ultimate treatment for extremely damaged hair. Reconstructing cosmetic mask with seaweed extracts and a high nourishing power for damaged hair. Lengths are brought back to life. Time control action. Apply on damp hair. I don't know. I'm excited to try that though. Hopefully it's color safe. Hopefully my camera will focus. There we go. 11. Perfume from Miller Harris. Rose Silence is what it's called. For the intimist, a personal, reflective Sunday morning moment. Okay. Okay, what did I say the company was? Miller Harris. Miller Harris Perfumer London. Rose Silence Eau de Parfum. Retails for $17. Let's smell this. Rose Silence. So it says on it, Rose Silence. Oh, it's a spray. Oh! Not a fan. Very old lady-ish. Number 12. This is Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. Nip and Fab Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. I just said that. Retails for $14.95. What is this? Oh man. Apply to cleanse face and neck. Use morning and evening. Okay, so it's for your face. For your face. For your face. My camera. Ah, I can't wait to get my new camera. I'm getting the Canon M50, I think. I'm not sure. Stay tuned. 13 is this. Is from Dr. Lip Bangs. This is the Lip Freak Tinted Lip Balm in Pinky Swear. Dr. Lip Bangs retails for $4.95. Tinted lip balm. Pucker up and smear this awesome balm on your kisser. Within a minute, your lips are gonna freak out. We're talking about a crazy vibrating buzz that isn't like anything ever felt before. Oh, it's plumping. 14 right here. I feel like I have to show you guys the box every time. Okay, what is this? DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. DHC Skincare Deep Cleansing Oil retails for $5.50. Dispense into dry hands, then gently massage onto dry face. Okay. All right, a cleansing oil for your face. Okay, 15 was very difficult coming out, so this better be good. You better be good, whatever you are inside here. This is the Ico Fat Eye Stick Satin Intense Color and Glossy Finish. Is this for your lips? Because that color is not gonna go on my lips. No, this must be for eye stick. Okay, this retails for $15. Oh, the color is satin, like a grayish kind of color. Yeah, is it? No, maybe it's more like a champagne-y gray. That's what I would call it. I was like, that's not going on my lips, but it's for your eyes, so it's not gonna go on my lips. It might go on my eyes. 16 is right in the middle. What do you got for me? 16. This is Copper and Crane Hydrating Dew Mist. Retails for $15. So in case you haven't noticed, a lot of these brands aren't like common brands, I guess you would say. Glossybox originally started in the UK, and I feel like a lot of these brands are like from the UK and not from like around here. I could be wrong on that. I guess what I'm trying to say is a lot of their brands aren't like really well known, at least on YouTube, I don't think. So that's that. I'm excited to try this. Okay, so I don't know where my camera shut off. We're opening up number 18. This is Skin by Dimitri James. This is the Sugar Lips Scrub. Retails for $20. Another reason why I'm so excited to get a new camera, because this one just shuts off like when it feels like it. 19. This is Thrina, 3INA. This is the lip primer. Retails for $13. That's the company, 3INA. Not sure how you pronounce that. There we go. The lip primer. Oh, that's what that looks like. Number 20. So far, this is just kind of like meh, you know, like meh, meh, meh. Okay, I'm excited for this. This is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Cream Concealer in Natural Tone. Treat your skin and trick your imperfections. I'm excited for this. I've gotten a few things from Hey Honey before in other boxes. Oh man, this retails for $19.20 in 8 milliliters. Yep, this is $19.20. Can you guys even see me? I'm like, this retails for 21. Another brush. Okay, this is from Luxie. Oh, I like the color of this. This is the tapered highlighter brush. I really like the color of this. This retails for $26, guys. Like I said, I like Luxie brushes, but I like getting them in subscription boxes when I don't have to pay for them. Because I would not spend $25 on one brush. I just, why are brushes so expensive? They're not that amazing, you know? Like, unless a brush can put makeup on my face without me touching it, you know, then it's not worth a lot of money to me. 22. This is the oh, yes. You can get this at Sephora. I know this. I don't know how to pronounce it though. Kojendo. These are cotton pads, and this is the spa water. I've actually used this before, and I really, really like it. I like that it comes with little cotton pads too. I think Kojendo is how you pronounce it. This retails for, oh, okay, the cotton pads retail for $3. I'm like, $3? No. Cotton pads retail for $3, and then the spa water is $9. Like I said, I have tried this and I do like it, so I'm excited for this. We're getting down there. 23. 25 should be the best thing, right? Wouldn't you assume, you know? This is Luna by Luna translucent powder. Luna by Luna Cosmetics. Retails for $22. A translucent powder. Can always use another translucent powder. Yes. I feel like 24 should be good too, because that's Christmas Eve, right? Get it out. There we go. 24. This is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the Kiss Proof Lip Finish. Kiss Proof Lip Finish. Bella Pierre. This retails for $15. Let's open it. Oh, it's just a clear gloss. Not really excited about that. I would never use this, to be honest, like never. Okay, so this is meant to be used with their other products. It's designed to be used on top of kiss-proof lip creams to add a glossy shine and moisture to the lips while preventing any color transfer. The marketing ploy, like, oh, you want to use this? Well, you gotta buy our other lip colors to use it with, otherwise it's not gonna do shit. Okay, $25, the last one. I feel like this should be the best one, right guys? What is this? The Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. This retails for $13. It's a cleanser. Okay, so my thoughts on this. Is it worth $99? You know, there were a couple products in here that I'm excited for, but I don't know. It's really hard because it's meant to be a surprise. Like if you knew what you were getting in the box, that completely negates the purpose of it, you know? So I feel like part of that $99, you're paying for the element of surprise, you know? So I really don't think that you can judge it based on the products alone. You know what I'm saying? Does anyone understand what I'm saying? Like, would I pay $99 for this box knowing what is in here? Probably not. Would I pay $99 for the element of surprise and knowing a couple products in this box? Probably. So, I don't know. I guess it really depends on how you look at it. I don't know. That's going to be my final answer as to whether or not this box is worth it. Same thing with subscription boxes. You know, part of what you pay for is to be surprised every month. It's a gamble. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a gamble. You're paying for a gamble. If you're not a gambling person, if you wouldn't go put like $20 down at a poker table, then yeah, you probably wouldn't like subscription boxes, you know? All right, I'm done rambling. This video is already super long. I will have a link to this down below if you want to purchase it. I don't get anything from you guys purchasing it. I don't get like commission or anything. Just throwing that out there. I'll also have a link to my vlog channel down below, which again, you guys should go subscribe to because Vlogmas is gonna be so much fun. I'm going to force my husband into being in the Vlogmas vlogs. He doesn't really like to be on camera, but for Vlogmas, he's gonna love to be on camera. I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.